So you want to create stickers, but you're not quite sure how to go about it. Well, creating stickers in Adobe Illustrator is super easy. Hi, I'm Luke, and today I'm going to show you how. So to start with, we're going to need to come up with a concept. So I'm going to sketch out an idea that I can then import into Illustrator to vector over. I'm going to do this digitally, but you can do this with traditional pencil and then scan it in. Once you've scanned it in or imported your digital sketch into Illustrator, it's just a case of vectoring over your sketch work with the pen tool. As you'll see as my design progresses, I've decided to produce a gaming themed sticker for all the nerds out there just like me. I also came up with a caption for the design before I even started the sketching process. The caption I decided to go with was "Escape to Another World," sort of links to escapism through playing video games. And because of this, I almost wanted the controller to have a planet-like appearance. I took inspiration from Saturn's rings to include a sort of border around the controller, but you'll see I wasn't entirely happy with the layout of the rings based on the sketch, so over some time I just started tweaking this until I was happy with the finished result. Once I'm happy with the graphic illustration, I look at incorporating the text into the design. Once you've finished editing the text in your design, be sure to outline it too. So we have our design finished. Now we're going to want to make it print ready by giving it a cutting line. To do this, you want to select your design, copy it onto a lower layer, and then use the Pathfinder tool to make it a solid object. Once you've done this, go to Object, Offset Path, and then offset the path by whatever you think looks best. I chose 6mm. This will be your cutting line, so when your stickers are printed, they'll have a thin white outline when peeled, or whatever color you choose. You don't have to include a border. Your cutting line could line up with your actual graphic if it's one solid image, but if your design has multiple elements, this will keep them connected as a sticker. With your design ready to print, you have a range of options for printing them. If you have a sticker printer of your own, you could go ahead and print them yourself. Otherwise, there's companies out there that will print your stickers for you, and a few examples of these companies are Sticker Mule and Sticker App. And that does it. Those are the steps in creating your own stickers using Adobe Illustrator. If you found the video helpful, I'd appreciate you liking the video and subbing to the channel. And if you have any questions, please be sure to pop them down in the comments, as I'd be happy to help. Until next time, stay creative.